So, welcome to St David's and the Meals on Wheels service.
I'm the driver, my wife is the deliverer, and we thoroughly enjoy meeting the locals. We got involved with the Meals on Wheels service by receiving one of Bethan's leaflets. We were a little offended to start with, thinking that we were perhaps too young to be receiving Meals on Wheels, so we decided to take the alternative, which was to offer our services as a volunteer.
It was during lockdown when I was volunteering, going shopping for people. I realised that a lot of people were relying on ready meals, and this is where I just thought it would be so nice to have a fresh, hot, cooked meal delivered to these people. So I went back then to the other members of the committee, and basically we started just lots and lots of conversations about how we're going to do this, and a year later we did it.
The Meals on Wheels service and everything to do with St David's Befrienders is a marvellous example of the way in which a community can come together to help all of the people within the community who need assistance in various ways.
And I have to tell you that as one of those who delivers the food, I can't express the excitement, pleasure of the faces that I see when I bring the food. It is absolutely moving.
And the fact that I'm a Welsh speaker has been a benefit really, because some of these people ring up and request in the meal, and then they realise who I am, and then they say, oh, chi'n siarad Cymraeg, Bethan Price, and then it just goes on. It's actually someone to talk to, not just having a meal. And sometimes I've been on the phone for like half an hour speaking to somebody, and it's been lovely.
The delight on people's faces when the food box arrives, or the delight when the meal arrives, or the delight when somebody knocks on the door and just for a chat, is something to behold. It makes everything worthwhile, and it brings the community together in ways which sometimes can be slightly missed.